If you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark.
What up to my dolls? I am LeeLee, also known as LeeLee UrsTruLee, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new, and hey to my babies if you are true. You guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this beautiful unit that was sent to me from Alipearl hair. Make sure you guys check the links in the description box because you can find everything down there. I am absolutely in love. Y'all know I've been working with them for like over 8+ years now, so the hair quality always holds up to its name, and I'm just super excited to show you guys me installing this wig. Came straight out the box, was ready to put on, and all I did was style it to my liking. So before we get into it, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and leave me a comment, whatever you like throughout this video. But let me quit talking and let's get into it. Okay guys, before we get started, I just wanted you to see that this unit came out of the box already done for you. You can see that it's pre-plucked, it's already parted, and it's already curled. So pretty much all you have to do is glue this on your head and you're good to go. But I wanted to line it up on my mannequin head. That way you guys can get into how this lace is plucked, the knots being bleached, and I wanted to show you how these curls looked before I started running my fingers into it. But let's get into getting this installed.
I'm lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? I'm lost without you, can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby?
Okay, baby, so I'm about to do my makeup and then I shall return with the finished look of this wig. We're gonna take a hot comb to her and maybe spruce up the curls, but pretty much she came out the box ready to wear. And I love it here. Okay, I love it here. So let's bend and get this makeup on.
Tell me it would break your heart that you left me in all my dirt. You wanna roll with me, you wanna hold with me, you wanna make vows and get no what you do with me. I just love to hear you say it. It makes a man feel good, baby. Tell me you depend on me. I need to hear it. I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? I'm lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby?
I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic.
I contemplate that.